Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back, my students. We'll continue of previous part. As I explained in previous, the rules and the regulations and the process of making perfect tense means fi'lul mazi. Already I explained that there are total 14 forms as gender, masculine, feminine, and as numerical, singular, plural, dual form. So look at the page. As previous I explained 6 parts. So first I am repeating that 6, then we'll go with other 8 parts today, inshallah tabarak wa ta'ala. So look at the previous page. Look at this page. All 6 forms are written here. I hope you all have by heart it, because in class 6 also you were taught this. So look at first Wahid al-Muzakkar al-Ghaib, Zahaba, he went. Musanna Muzakkar al-Ghaib, Zahaba, they too went. Jama Muzakkar al-Ghaib, Zahabu, they all went. Wahid Muannas al-Ghaib, Zahabat, she went. Musanna Muannas al-Ghaib, Zahabata, they too went. Jama Muannas al-Ghaib, Zahabna, they all went. So these are all 6 for masculine and feminine, singular, dual and plural form for third person. After this, now turn the page and look at next page, other forms of second person and first person. Second person is called mukhatab and first person is called mutakallim. So let's we start our new lesson, remaining 8 parts. So here are second person masculine. Wahid Muzakkar al-Mukhatab, Zahabta, you went. Musanna al-Muzakkar al-Mukhatab, Zahabtuma, you two went. Jama Muzakkar al-Mukhatab, Zahabtum, you all went. So these 3 are for masculine. Second person, Zahabta, Zahabtuma, Zahabtum. So here you can see, down I have written Zahaba plus ta. So Zahabta. Zahaba plus tuma. Zahabtuma. And Zahaba plus tum. Zahabtum. So these 3 are for masculine, Muzakkar, Mukhatab, second person. As you know, pronouns are used here. Anta, antuma, antum, antima, antuma, antunna. So likewise, anta, antum, antum, to ta, tuma, tum. These 3 are used in these 3 for second person. Now turn the page for the muannas. Now look here, feminine, second person, muannas mukhatab. Wahid al-muannas al-mukhatab, zahabti, you went. Musanna muannas al-mukhatab, zahabtuma, you two went. Jama muannas al-mukhatab, zahabtunna, you all went. Zahabti, zahabtuma, zahabtunna, meaning are same. You went, you two went, you all went. Here you can see zahaba plus ti from anti, zahabti. Zahaba plus tuma from antuma, zahabtuma. And zahaba plus tunna from antunna. So zahabtunna. Anti, antum, antunna. Zahabti, zahabtuma, zahabtunna. So these three are for feminine, second person, for singular, dual and plural. Wahid, musanna, jama, muannas, mukhatab. Now turn the page for last two final forms for first person. Okay, now look here, remaining two, zahabtu and zahabna. Wahid, muzakkar, muannas, mutakallim. Singular, masculine, feminine, first person. Zahabtu, I went. So I went, masculine also and feminine also, because it is for first person. And zahabna, musanna, jama, muzakkar, muannas, mutakallim. We two went, we all went. Zahaba plus na, zahabna. So here in first person forms only two. Wahid, muzakkar and muannas, masculine, feminine, same. And in other, jol and plural, musanna and jama, masculine and feminine, all same. So likewise, all 14 forms we completed. So let's revise once. Zahaba, zahaba, zahabu, zahabat, zahabata, zahabna. These 6 for third person ghaib. Zahabta, zahabtuma, zahabtum. Zahabti, zahabtuma, zahabtunna. These 6 for mukhatab, second person. Zahabtu, zahabna. These 2 for mutakallim, first person. So you by heart these and write from other verb, from kataba, shariba, dakhala, or write all 14 forms. If you can, write with meaning or without meaning. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.